Hey everybody, I am back with another video, and this video is the review of Transformers Prime Autobot Ratchet. He is a deluxe size figure, so he is a bit on the small size. His main vehicle mode is of course an ambulance, featuring the colours of white and orange, very reddish orange. Very plain on the detail. There's no shading, there's no little touch-up details, all the little details on the figure. Black wheels, obviously, and of course there is the underside, featuring obviously the weapons that are housed in the bottom. Removing the weapons is quite simple, so just simply move the feet a bit forward and just untab them from the side. On the underneath part, there are little tabs on the inside. Fold those back in, and of course we've got some little knives. They are made out of a very flexible rubber plastic, and you get 2 of these. On the front of the figure you can see that there are 2 indent holes in the front, and then of course 2 indent holes on the top. These are mainly screw holes, but they can be used obviously as 5mm ports for obviously your weapons, so the weapons do fit in there, but the main feature is for them to be put on the front, so they kind of go like that. Transformation for Ratchet is actually quite simple. It does have a few complex parts, but the majority of it is simple. Right, so for transformation, first of all we need to unfold these panels down here at the side, just like that. And then we want to unhook this bit here from the outer side. Take a little bit of finagling. So you want it so that you've got the sections detached from each other, and then you want to fold round the feet. There is a tab here at the front which you just got to be careful not to snap. Fold them down, and then these panels here will then untab will then fold down and concertina down. So we've got that, and then we've got that. Fold the feet out. Okay, just wrap the body out. Then obviously move the arms out from the side, and that will just detach itself there. And move this section, that will just simply fold around like that. And the arms, the hands are in here. You want to fold out the hands and then simply wrap the panel around the outside to make the hand and the arm. So fold the hand out, fold the panel around to make the arm, and then this panel here will fold down and the head will pop out, so it will trigger the spring-loaded gimmick and push the head out, and then this panel just pushes at the back. And then there we have Autobot Ratchet in robot mode. So as far as articulation, his arms can move all the way around. He's then got a double jointed arm, so he's got a bend at the top of the shoulder, he's got a bend at the elbow, so you can pull off some good poses. Head moves from side to side and does move a tiniest bit up and down. Only the tiniest bit though. Knees, again, got two joints in the knees, so you got the joint here, which is the actual knee joint, and then you got the joint underneath the knee where the kneecap is. You got that joint there. Ball jointed leg, swivel, swivel in the waist as well. And then as far as the feet are concerned, there is no actual posability apart from obviously the two joints used to actually form the foot, and you can see that his feet are actually slightly angled a bit, so he can actually stand with his feet apart. As far as the weapons are concerned, you'll notice that the handles for the weapons are actually quite a little bit off centre. This is because when you put the weapons in his hand, you can either have them as combat knives, or you can have them as actual blades, so you can fit them in the hand as like so, and have them like that, or you can actually push the arm in, push the hand all the way in, and then you get these little blades that look like they're sticking out, so you kind of end up with this kind of a pose. So overall, I think Ratchet is a very good figure. Highly recommend picking it up in places like eBay or a yard sale, or even a car boot sale, depending on where you get it from. Again, the only problems you might find is some yellowing, like mine has. Over the times, the plastic has yellowed, but other than that, you know, the gimmicks work. He looks great, and he'll definitely be a nice addition to your collection. So anyway, I will see you guys next time.